Hello again. Today I'm at Breakwater by Toll Brothers, a luxury home builder, and I want to show you a walkthrough of the Palmetto farmhouse. So, cute little secret, the farmhouse versus the cottage just means the exterior design, and this is going to be the Palmetto floor plan. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go. Come on in. I can't wait to show you this home, and it's ready for purchase. So the Palmetto floor plan is 4 beds, 3 bath, plus a flex space, which we'll see. Here's 1 bedroom on the front. Between is one of the 3 bathrooms. So notice the design center did more of a white theme in this one, but you will get to choose what you would like to do. Now this subway tile was laid in a typical subway pattern. And then you've got another bedroom right here. Nice tall ceilings again. Just across from those bedrooms, you've got the access to the garage. And again, you've got a kind of a mud room here, which is fabulous. We'll be continuing to go to the back, but for now, let's check out one of the other bedrooms. So this is our 3rd bedroom. And there is another bathroom right here. Again, those glass baths, and this tile matches the other bathroom, which I appreciate the continuity. Just across from this 3rd bedroom is the flex space. So let's talk about this just a minute. It's different than the other models that I have videoed and walked through. Imagine you could put a closet here, or even a wet bar, or a wine bar. I mean, so many options in that fun nook. And that's a large space. Right across from it, you've got laundry. Now this is a very large laundry room. Designers chose to put in cabinetry all the way. And yes, I see this door, but we're gonna come through it a different way, so hold on. Here is the main living space. Wow, check out that cabinetry. All the way to the ceiling. They do have a high contrast color on the island, visual interest. You can see there's gas here as well. And there's your living space. You do have the high contrast cabinets on the whole island. And here's your breakfast nook. Now, let's check out the main bedroom in the back with the views. So the Palmetto floor plan, I love all the windows it's got, is 2,457 square feet for these 3 beds and 1 bath. Wow, look at how big that shower is. And you do have dual sinks. In this space, you could put a freestanding tub or make a changing area out of it, maybe. So let's go into the massive closet. Check this out. Just wow. And here's that door I was talking about, back into the laundry room. So the laundry room is attached to the main bedroom. I kind of super love that. And then you can come right out and come back into the living space. All right, there's your wall of glass. Notice you got windows, wall, window, balanced very nicely. Let us check out the back. Ample space to put in your pool or an outdoor kitchen. Nice and quiet right up against these trees. So for more information about Breakwater by Toll Brothers, or even the different layouts that are available, just give me a ring and I can definitely help you through the journey. And I look forward to talking to you. All right, until next time, bye.